Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A contemporary, modern glass-walled pavilion extension to a home at dusk. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows of dark gray framing, showcasing a living room with warm interior lighting. The interior features light-colored furniture and stone or concrete walls. A patio deck extends out from the pavilion, paved with dark gray stone, flanked by low landscaping beds filled with greenery. The surrounding garden is depicted in a hyperrealistic style, with soft lighting emphasizing the depth and texture of the leaves and grass. The trees in the background display autumn colors of orange and yellow. The overall aesthetic is calm, modern, and sophisticated, with a focus on the interplay of interior and exterior spaces. A modern, elegant home in a wooded setting. Twilight hour, warm, golden light filtering through large windows illuminating a patio with a dark gray/black metal railing. Dark gray/black brick exterior walls, dark gray/black roof and siding. Large, glass doors lead to the patio. Landscaping includes lush greenery, low bushes, and shrubs, with subtle, warm yellow lighting highlighting the landscaping. Impressively detailed, hyperrealistic rendering of the house and surrounding landscape. Focus on the modern architectural design, muted color palette, and the interplay of light and shadow. A sense of a quiet, upscale suburban residence. Show the trees in the background in slightly out-of-focus detail. A modern, two-story home facade with a porch, featuring a mix of dark gray and vibrant red siding. The dark gray portion hosts a covered entryway with large, multi-paned windows showcasing a view into a space. The surrounding landscape is bathed in fall colors, with vibrant yellow and orange trees and foliage. The porch railing is a dark metallic gray/black. The red portion of the house has black framed windows. A stone-colored porch and stairs lead up to the entry. Ground cover, shrubs, and fallen leaves of varying autumnal tones fill the landscaping. A modern Zen garden nestled next to a contemporary home. Hyperrealistic. Large expanse of dark gray gravel, interspersed with strategically placed, large, gray/dark gray river stones and stepping stones. A wooden deck extends from the home, with large glass sliding doors providing a seamless transition between the interior and the meticulously designed garden. Autumn leaves, vibrant oranges and reds, are visible on mature maple trees bordering the garden. The house itself is contemporary with a dark gray exterior, and a light brownish-orange wooden roof overhang. The setting is a residential property, possibly in a temperate climate. Focus on subtle textures of the gravel, stones, and plants. A mid-century modern home with a large glass-walled deck. The deck is made of reddish-brown wood planks, and there are orange lounge chairs and dark gray chaise lounges. The home's exterior is a warm brick orange, and the roof is a muted, burnt orange. The deck extends out from the home, creating an outdoor living space. The surrounding landscaping features low-maintenance plants and grasses in varying shades of green, yellow, and brown. Large rectangular paving stones create pathways throughout the yard, leading to the deck. There are trees with yellow and orange autumn leaves visible in the background. A beach house with a modern, coastal aesthetic. Large, light gray stone exterior walls meet a dark gray metal roof. Large sliding glass doors and windows offer expansive ocean views. Wooden beams and columns add a touch of warmth to the structure. A multi-level deck with a light gray/white wooden plank floor leads down to a swimming pool with dark blue water. Outdoor wicker furniture, including a sectional sofa, and supporting cushions in muted cream/gray tones are situated on the deck. The scene is bathed in natural sunlight, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Plants and landscaping are featured in the foreground and along the edges of the property. A charming, light-filled farmhouse porch at dusk. A two-story, white farmhouse with a dark gray metal roof, featuring a covered front porch. The porch spans the entire front of the house, supported by white pillars. The porch floor is made of stained brown wood that extends to the front steps. The walls of the farmhouse are painted in a creamy off-white. Large windows with black frames offer views of the interior. Brown wicker furniture and beige outdoor furniture are situated on the porch. The setting is a tranquil rural area with tall trees lining the property. The image is soft-lit, capturing the warm, golden hues of the setting sun, casting a gentle glow over the scene. A charming, light-filled farmhouse porch scene. A cozy, light beige farmhouse with a dark gray metal roof, featuring a wide front porch supported by light brown wooden columns. The house has a simple, clean aesthetic with white siding and black windows with dark shutters. The porch features comfortable wicker furniture with beige and gray cushions. The scene is set in a rural landscape, with a field of golden yellow harvested crops visible in the background, and lush green trees surrounding the house. Well-manicured lawn surrounds the house and porch, with a variety of low-growing shrubs and plants in flower beds adding depth and visual interest. The image is well-lit, with soft natural daylight, evoking a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. A charming, light-filled farmhouse porch scene. A cozy, light beige farmhouse with a dark gray metal roof, featuring a wide front porch supported by light brown wooden columns. The house has a simple, clean aesthetic with white siding and black windows with dark shutters. The porch features comfortable wicker furniture with beige and gray cushions. The scene is set in a rural landscape, with a field of golden yellow harvested crops visible in the background, and lush green trees surrounding the house. Well-manicured lawn surrounds the house and porch, with a variety of low-growing shrubs and plants in flower beds adding depth and visual interest. A modern, contemporary home with a spacious, light-filled bedroom. The property has a well-manicured, landscaped garden with various greenery. Hyperrealistic, outdoor scene of a modern home with a large, open-plan living space extending to a deck. The home features a dark gray exterior, complemented by a warm reddish-brown wood interior and large windows. Walls and pillars feature a light beige stone. The wooden deck has dark gray metal supports. The garden is filled with a mix of leafy plants, shrubs, and a few tall, dramatic palm-like plants. Gravel pathways, light gray flagstone and stepping stones wind through the greenery leading up to the entrance. Subtle warm-toned lighting accents the landscaping. A modern Japanese-style home with a serene outdoor courtyard. Large, dark gray/black exterior with exposed stone and timber accents. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows overlooking a tranquil water garden. A smooth, dark wooden deck extends from the house out over a small, calm pond filled with stones. The pond is surrounded by lush greenery, including ferns, various shrubs, and grasses. Walking paths of dark gray/slate flagstone wind through the garden, leading to more landscaping with greenery. The lighting is soft, warm, and ambient, highlighting the textures of the wood and the garden features. Trees and lush foliage frame the perimeter. A modern, mid-century inspired home with a large glass front porch. Exterior stone facade in warm grays and browns. Dark gray metal roof and trim. Exterior wall siding in a light terracotta orange. The home is situated in a lush fall landscape with vibrant orange, red, and yellow foliage. The yard features a pathway of dark gray flagstone leading to the porch steps. The steps, porch, and pathway are also dark gray. Natural light streams through the large windows and doors, illuminating the interior. Landscape design incorporates various shrubs and ground cover plants. The image has a realistic, architectural aesthetic. A spacious, modern outdoor living area, featuring a covered wooden pergola with dark gray metal support columns. The pergola's roof is a rich, warm brown wood plank design. The walls are a mix of light brownish gray stone and large windows with dark gray frames. A multi-level wooden deck leads to the area, with a unique patterned tile floor. This tile pattern has a mix of orange, dark blue, and black geometric/floral designs.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.